Well, good day. Could do a little voiceover on this one as my helper and I unbox the rhino hide canopy that I ordered for our Kubota LX3310 compact tractor. Apologize, took a little bit to get the video edited. We filmed this in September and it was much warmer and sunnier out, hence the reason and need for the canopy. This is not a sponsored video. I purchased this canopy with my own money online and was very pleased with the manufacturer and the quality of the canopy and durability, and made a video as we installed it on a beautiful Saturday morning on our compact tractor. So watch along here as we unbox all the parts. Came UPS, shipped very quickly. Everything was well packed. And my daughter is helping sort through all the parts, and I'm reading the instructions, and she got everything all laid out here so we could start putting the thing together. Okay, here we're attaching the brackets to the rollover protection device. Simple U-bolts and nuts. We had looked for the location. Comet's being a big help as usual, supervising. He's more of a management role, not really a hands-on guy, but he's a good dog and a good supervisor. So we're putting the U-bolts on here, and we kind of figured out the height we thought we'd need them, and just finger tight at this point. Here, as you can see, we're getting the brackets mounted. I'm really tall at 6'2", so I want to make sure I had plenty of headroom. We're very fortunate I have 8-foot garage doors, so plenty of height to get the tractor in the garage, so that really wasn't a concern. My thought was to kind of keep the front, which angles up, at the same height as the rollover protection bar. Alright, once we had the brackets installed that were more or less horizontal, we set the canopy in place. It's very lightweight. Positioned it to make sure it was evenly centered side to side, and got my ladder out. There's holes pre-drilled in the metal, so we just drilled some holes through after we clamped it in place and made sure that it was centered side to side on the tractor. Okay, using the drill bit, we used the holes that were already in the metal brackets and drilled up through the plastic top so we could put the bolts in and attach the canopy with the 4 bolts to the brackets. You certainly could do this by yourself. The second set of hands was helpful. Just hold everything in place, but if you had a clamp, you could clamp it in place once you had it measured and centered, and you wouldn't need the second person. But quality time with my daughter is always fun, and she's always a big help, so I appreciated her assistance. Alright, well, there it is. Very happy with how this went on. Very easy. I had my helper. A second set of hands really made a difference.
But very pleased. Should keep me out of the shade and out of the light rain. And looks great on the Kubota. So thank you for making a great product, Rhino Hide. Very pleased. Got some work to do. Got to get a yard in, some rototilling done, and some grass seed down. So this will keep me out of the sun while I'm finishing that project. Thank you very much for watching. Hopefully this is helpful, seeing how this went on my little tractor. If you enjoyed the video, I'd really appreciate a thumbs up. I'd be honored if you would consider subscribing to the channel and following the adventures here in our woodworking shop as well as at our home. And should be more tractor activities coming up as we work to finish the yard and landscaping and kind of settle into our new house. So thank you very much. I appreciate you watching. Have yourself a wonderful day.